Are you ready to make a funny? A penguin. Let's get it started. Take 4 colors. First, we're going to make a body. Take a piece of blue clay and roll 1 big ball. Roll it into a cone with your hand. Awesome job! The body is done. Model eyes. Take a piece of white clay and roll 2 little balls. Make deepenings with a pencil. Hooray! Eyes are done. Now make a tummy. Take a piece of white clay and roll 1 middle ball. Then roll it into a cone with your hand. And flatten it with your hand. Hooray! The tummy is done. Now make wings. Take a piece of blue clay and roll 2 little balls. Then roll them into a cone with your fingers. And flatten them with your finger. Well done! Wings are done. Let's make a beak. Take a piece of orange clay and roll 1 middle ball. Then roll it and press with your finger. And pin a beak with your fingers. Hooray! A beak is done. Next, make paws. Take a piece of orange clay and roll 2 little balls. Then roll them into a cone with your fingers. And flatten paws with your finger. Well done! Paws are done. Now make pupils. Take a piece of black clay and roll 2 little balls. Hooray! Pupils are done. Great! Your family will love your penguin. Is great. How about another figure?
Give me a high five and make me a friend.